Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, open Clock app and click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then, to add your alarm, select this plus one at the bottom. Now set up an hour at the top. When you're ready, you can click on Ring Once or Custom. If you wish to choose Custom, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Fridays and Mondays. Now you can click on Alarm Name section and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then click on Ringtone. In this pop-up, click on Allow and pick the best option for you. You can set up Weather Adaptive, log in to your Spotify account and use music from it. Click on this device to pick music from your smartphone, or select one of those system ringtones, like house music. Wherever you do, when you're ready, go back. Now, to enable or disable vibrations, click on this switcher next to Vibrate. Last but not least, tap on Snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you wish to disable this feature, click on this switcher next to Snooze. You can turn it back on the same way. Then go back and finally save your alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. Then pick one of those options. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same one. If you want to edit your alarm, click on it, make some changes, and discard them by tapping on top left corner, or save them by selecting top right one. You can also delete your alarm by holding it and tapping on Delete at the bottom. In order to manage more alarm options, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, and manage all of them however you want to, like ring duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!